Today, take a look at the Excited Work Oscillating Tool. Okay, so we've got a sanding pad holder, so this is hook and loop material. We've got a whole bunch of sanding pads. We got a flathead, so that's going to be great for things like removing caulk. We got a ceramic blade. We got 3 wood cutting blades. We got a narrow wood cutting blade, and we have a half moon wood cutting blade. Our battery charger, this says it's good for 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international and domestic, and it outputs 7 amps at 1.5 volts. We got our battery, it says it's a 20 volt, and it says it is 36 watt hours. There's a standard clip style lock, and we have 3 contacts on it. So this is the oscillating tool. We do have a metal head on here, so we got a quick release style chuck. That's excellent, so we don't have to worry about screwing anything on. We got on-off switch, and nice rubber all the way around on that handle. Also says this is 20 volts and is good for 6,000 to 20,000 RPM. Lastly, we do appear to have an adjustment on here so that we can make this go faster or slower. Okay, and it is not crazy loud. I also like to see we actually have a light on the front so you can actually see what we're doing. There we go. So yeah, these things do nice quick work. They also do very delicate work for anything where you need to have like a precision cut. These things are fantastic. So I'm happy with that. That is a handy tool to have around.